You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English. If you want to learn more vocabulary, that is very useful. Stay tuned, I've got many more videos for you you'll want to watch and learn from. Pronounced as separate. If it's an adjective, as in two things are separate, they're different or apart, separate is how it's pronounced. Now, if it's a verb, you say separate, as in he separates two people, separate. So, as a noun, separate. As a verb, separate. Two different pronunciations depending on the function of the word. English pronunciation, separate or separate. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.